Hi everyone, how are you all? So my name is Isheshpal and welcome to my channel Sheshpal Mathswala. In previous two videos, we were discussing the concept of X radius, right? And we have also discussed some of the results regarding the value of X radius for R1, R2 and R3. In previous video, I have summarized the formulas that we have discussed regarding X center. I have just written here only this part. You can check my previous video. In this video, we are going to discuss some other results regarding the X radius. Let me consider the same diagram. Triangle A, B, C. Let me extend these two sides and let me draw a circle which is called as X circle. Here its perpendicular length is nothing but R1, its center is O1. Okay. Let me consider the draw perpendicular on side BC which is nothing but radius of this circle R1. And next perpendicular on this and perpendicular on this R1 R1. Let me join these two vertices with the center. Let me draw an imaginary line. Okay. Let me put this point as A dash. Okay. Here, as per the property of tangent, here it is said that these two angles are equal. Right? Let me say its angle as x, its angle as x. Okay. Similarly, these two angles, let me call this angle as y, this angle as y. Here it is angle B, here it is angle C. Okay. 2x plus B. 2x plus B is equal to 180 degrees. So x is equal to 90 minus B by 2. Okay. Similarly, y plus C is nothing but 180. 2y plus C. Here it is the value of x. 2y plus C is equal to 180. Y is equal to 90 minus C by 2. Okay. Here these two angles are 90 minus B by 2 and 90 minus C by 2. Similarly, this angle can be said as B plus C by 2. Okay. Let me consider triangle B A dash O1, which is right angle at A1. Okay. Tan x. Tan x is equal to O1 A dash by A dash B, which is nothing but R1 by B A dash. So B A dash is going to be R1 into cot x is equal to R1 into cot x is nothing but 90 minus B by 2. 90 minus B by 2 is nothing but R1 tan B by 2. So B A dash is equal to R1 tan B by 2. Okay. This is our first result. B A dash, this length. This length is going to be R1 tan B by 2. Okay. Next. Let me consider triangle C A dash O1. C A dash O1. Tan y is equal to O1 A dash by C A dash C. O1 A dash is nothing but R1 by A dash C. A dash C is nothing but R1 into cot Y. Y is nothing but 90 minus C by 2 is equal to R1 into cot 90 minus C by 2. A dash C is nothing going to be R1 tan C by 2. This is our second result. So overall this total side we have got the lengths of these two sides B A dash and A dash C. These two lengths. By adding these two lengths we are going to get the length of this whole side which is nothing but A. Right? Let's move on further. So BC can be written as length of side BC. BC is nothing but BA dash plus A dash C. BC is nothing but side A. A is equal to BA dash. BA dash is equal to R1 into tan B by 2 plus R1 into tan C by 2. Okay. Let's move on further. Let me continue further this result. Okay. A is equal to R1 into tan B by 2 plus tan C by 2. So R1 is going to be A by tan B by 2 plus tan C by 2. This is the first form. Similarly, considering the second circle and the third x circles, we will get the other result as R2 is equal to B by tan A by 2 plus tan C by 2. Okay, let me erase this part. Similarly, R3 is equal to C by tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2. Okay, here these three are the other results. Let me write them aside. Okay. R1 is equal to A by tan B by 2 plus tan C by 2. R2 is equal to B by tan A by 2 plus tan C by 2. C by tan A by 2 plus tan B by 2. Okay. R1 is equal. Okay. Here these three are the other results that we have derived. So what I am going to do is next I am going to simplify all this. Let me take this one. R1 is equal to A. A can be written as 2R sin A. As per the sine rule, A by sin A is equal to B by sin B. A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C is equal to 2R. Right? So A is going to be 2R sin A. A 2R sin A. Right? Okay, by tan B by 2 plus tan C by 2 is equal to 2R into 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2 by tan B by 2 plus tan C by 2. Let's simplify this part independently. Okay, tan B by 2 plus tan C by 2 is equal to sin B by 2 by cos B by 2 plus sin C by 2 by cos C by 2. Sin B by 2 cos C by 2 plus sin C by 2 cos B by 2 by cos B by 2 into cos C by 2. Okay. Sin A cos B plus sin B cos A, which is nothing but sin of A plus B. So it can be written as Let me write it here only. Sine of b plus c by 2 by cos b by 2 into cos c by 2. Okay. So tan b by 2 plus tan c by 2 is nothing but sine of b plus c by 2, which is nothing but cos a by 2 by cos b by 2 into cos c by 2. So tan b by 2 plus tan c by 2 is nothing but cos a by 2 by cos b by 2 into cos c by 2. Let me put this value under denominator. Okay. Cos a by 2 by cos b by 2 into cos c by 2. Right? Here what is going to happen? Cos a by 2 gets cancelled. This denominator goes to numerator. So finally we are going to get 4r sine a by 2 cos b by 2 into cos c by 2. 4r sine a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2. After simplifying this, we have got another new result, that is 4r sine a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2, which is for r1. Okay, let me write this result also. Let me erase this part. Let me write these results also. After simplifying this part, as I have explained just now, we are going to get 4r sine a by 2 cos b by 2 into cos c by 2 is equal to 4r sine b by 2 cos a by 2 into cos c by 2 is equal to 4r sine c by 2 cos a by 2 into cos b by 2. Yeah, these are the other new results regarding the concept of X circle. Okay. So that's it for this video. For more further concepts, let's meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.